So students, today's topic is rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator means move a root like a square root oblique cube root from the denominator of a fraction to the numerator. I am taking some sums to explain it. You can see that root 3 move from denominator to numerator. Children, see the sign between the number 2 and 3. It is a plus sign. It is a plus sign. It is a plus sign. So I will multiply by 2 minus root 3 in both numerator and denominator. Say equation 1. Compare this equation using identity. Using identity, a plus b, a minus b. This will be equal to a square minus b square. Compare this identity with the right hand side of denominator of equation 1. Here a is equal to 2 and b is equal to root 3. Substitute the values of a and b in this identity. 2 plus root 3, 2 minus root 3. This will be equal to a square minus b square. A square means square of 2 minus b square means square of root 3. Square of 2 means equal to 4. Square of root 3 is equal to 3. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Substitute the values of denominator in equation 1. 1 upon 2 plus root 3 equal to 2 minus root 3. Value of denominator is equal to 1. This will be equal to 2 minus root 3. Answer. Take other example. Take other sums. 1 upon root 7 minus root 6. Children, see the sign between the number root 7 and root 6. It is a minus sign. So I will multiply by root 7 plus root 6 in both numerator and denominator. Using identity, a plus b, a minus b, this will be equal to a square minus b square. Compare it. from the denominator of equation 1. So here a is equal to, value of a is equal to root 7. Value of b is equal to root 6. Substitute the values of a and b, value of a and b in this identity. A root 7, value of a is root 7 plus value of b is root 6. Second bracket, value of a is root 7 minus value of b is root 6. This will be equal to a square. A square, value of a is equal to root 7. A square means root square of root 7. Value of b is equal to root 6. Square of root 6. B square means square of root 6. Square of root 7 is equal to 7. Square of root 6 is equal to 6. This will be equal to 1. Substitute the values of denominator in equation 1. 1 upon root 7 minus root 6. This will be equal to root 7 plus root 6 divided by 1. This will be equal to root 7 plus root 6. Implies that 1 upon root 7 minus root 6 equal to under root 7 plus under root 6. Answer. Thank you, student.